Hello guys, I am Melissa Gomes from Zencommerce India. Today I am going to demonstrate to you on how you can easily manage bulk uploading of products using CSV file in Zencommerce store. In order to proceed with the bulk uploading, we need to have few things ready with us, and that includes an Excel app in our system to manage the CSV formatting, product information which to be uploaded on the online store, along with nicely clicked photos in different angles. Do not worry about the bulk uploading format as it can be easily fetched from the Zencommerce store. So you just have to download the file, update it with the required information and upload it back. Isn't that so easy? Let's not complicate it more and let's begin with the procedure. Log in into your Zencommerce admin panel using your store credentials. To go to your store admin panel, you simply have to type your domain name along with /admin. You will get a screen to enter your login ID and password. If you do not have the store credentials, please click on the Forgot Password option and log in back with the updated password. Once you are logged in, you will come across a fantastic dashboard with the required store notifications. On the left menu, under the first tab, Operate the Store, scroll down to the heading Products and click on Product Link. On the top right hand side, click on the More button and click on Export. To upload our product information, we need to first create a profile with the required fields. So, click this option Create New CSV Profile, which further will ask you to enter a few details. Enter the profile name. It can be anything. It's basically just a title. For example, Product Update. Next, we'll set the type option to Update and Adding and click on the Save button. On the left, we see two more options to set. So let's click on Settings and set Column Separator to comma and save it. Again on the left, click on List of Fields and what we see here is first 7 fields, namely Product Code, SKU, Activity, Name, Price, Text Class, Measurement Unit, Main Category are highlighted in red color, which means these fields are mandatory fields and always needs to be filled in the CSV file. Apart from these fields, you may select the other fields as per your requirement. In this demonstration, I am going to select only required fields which are ideally required for product uploading. So I will select manufacturer, retail price, weight, description, home page, stock, stock alert and images. One point to remember, you can replace or add any information in the fields at any point of time by re-uploading the CSV file with the same profile. So later, whenever you wish, you can upload the information related to meta title, meta description, meta keywords, etc. in the uploaded products. We will now save these settings by clicking the Save button. Once the profile is saved, you would notice that all the selected fields are positioned first in the list. You may change the placement of these fields by drag and drop. For example, I would like to have description column after the main category. Then I simply need to click on the required category and drag and drop it under the required category. Do not forget to apply these changes by saving the settings. The next step is to choose the required operation. Hence click on More button. In the drop down, you will notice options like Import, Export, Download Template and Remove. For bulk uploading, we need a CSV file format to update product information on the website. Hence, we can either opt for Export or Download Template, which actually serves the same purpose. The only difference is by clicking on the Export button, along with the fields, we are downloading all the existing product information in the CSV file as per the set profile fields. We may then modify the existing product information if required in the CSV file or add new products and upload it back. The second option, Download Template, is just going to download the header fields which we have selected in this profile. Let's use an export option which will serve my purpose of updating my existing information and also will allow me to add new products in my store. Next, review if you have selected all the required fields and click on the Export button. Wait until the progress bar completes to 100% and gives you a success message. Click on the OK button to proceed further. Next, we will download this file by clicking the download file link and wait for it to download in the system. Locate the downloaded file on your system and update the required information. So this is our downloaded CSV format, and you will notice the existing product information is arranged as per the set fields. The first field stands for product code and it needs to be unique for every product. Active option allows you to display or hide products on the website. You may update this field with either numeric 1 or 0. Setting the value to numeric 1 would keep the product active on the website and 0 would disable the product. Field name states the title of your product. Price stands for product price and it should be inclusive of GST. And while updating, do not include any currency symbol in this field. Text class. Please enter the tax value which you have included in the product price along with the percentage sign. Measurement unit. Allocate the unit to the products, for example, pieces, quantity, kg, grams, box, etc. Main category. Here we need to define the category under which our products should be listed. We can have 2 level or even more than 2 level of categories. Manufacturer. This option allows you to assign brands or vendors to the products and you can display this information on the website. Retail price. This option allows store owner to display MRP price of products irrespective of product selling price. For example, if product selling price is rupees 100 and if you wish to show rupees 300 as MRP, then you can use this option. Weight. This field allows you to update the weight of the product. But remember, you need to follow one unit for all the products, either kg or grams. And unit has to be set in the admin panel under Settings, Products, Units. This information is not going to display on the website. Instead, it is used to calculate the shipping cost if you would like to add on the basket page. Description allows you to add the product information. Homepage. This option is used to display products on the homepage. We can input numeric 1 or 0. Setting numeric 1 will set the product on the homepage under section Recommended Products. Stock allows you to set the available quantity in inventory. Stock 1 level. It's a threshold stock value. On reaching the quantity set for stock 1 level, the admin would get a reminder on the dashboard of the panel. Images. The images have to be uploaded in the file manager and the path should be given in the CSV. Or you may also upload images to other servers and use its link. If you are uploading the images in the file manager, then we need to go to Settings, Advanced, File Manager. You can watch our other video of adding images to file manager and creating its link. So let's update our new product information along with new category women jewelry. Product code, let's update as OS0001. Active. I will set 1 as I would like to display this product on my website. Name. Product name I would like to give as Pearl Necklace Set. Price. Let's say 1 lakh along with GST. VAT. Included GST is 5%. So let's add 5%. Let's update unit as pieces. Category. It's a jewelry product and I would like to list this product under neckwear with 2 levels of category. So let's update as jewelry, space, greater than sign, space, neckwear. Producer. Let's update as Tanishq. Other price. We'll update as 1,20,000. Weight. Currently I'm leaving this blank and also it's not a mandatory field. Description. Let's add this content. Main page. I would like to display this information on the home page. So we'll set the value as 1. Stock. Say I have 5 in inventory. So we'll update as 5. Stock 1 level. I would like to get a reminder after reaching stock of 3. So we'll update it as 3. Images 1. We already have these images uploaded on the file manager and these are the generated links. So I will use these links here. Please note, the image updated for the image 1 column would be set as the main image. The image 2 column would be set as the Let's save this file in the CSV format, and we are ready to upload the formatted CSV in the Zencommerce store. So now we will again go back to the same panel where we had paused for formatting the CSV and click on More button. Let's select Import from this profile option. Select the file and click Import. We will wait until this feature is completing its job and gives us a success message. And we are done. Let's check on the website if this new category is created and the product is added under it. Here we have menu, and when I take my mouse cursor over it, yes, we can see this new category. Let's click on the category to check if the product is uploaded. And yes, it's here. We can see it's uploaded with an image. Wow! Isn't the bulk uploading so easy? Let's use this feature to ease our work. I hope this video will solve all your queries about bulk uploading. If you have any questions, then our support team is always ready to support you. Happy to help you. Thank you for watching.